activating what was awaiting. Each center responds with clarity. Each layer softens into balance. This forest presence guides me into a state of readiness where expansion feels safe and receiving feels natural. I open myself to inner order. I welcome steady expansion. I allow my path to align with ease. This is how harmony begins. Ooh. Inner pathways awaken now. My centers align with gentle strength. Abundance flows without resistance. Clarity settles deep within me. I rise in balance and trust. Sacred harmony lives here. This open day continues to expand. Layer by layer, center by center. Nothing is forced, everything finds its place within the rhythm of this forest, ancient, alive, and guiding. I activate my foundation. I activate creative flow. I activate inner strength. I activate open receiving. I activate clear vision. My within my inner space. Energy gathers with intention, bringing calm and coherence. This ancestral force surrounds me, guiding my awareness inward. Toward balance, flow, and quiet activation. Each center begins to glow, responding to natural rhythm. Movement feels clear and stable, opening space for expansion. Abundance approaches softly when alignment becomes complete. When inner order creates room to receive. To expand, I trust the process unfolding. I welcome alignment with ease. Toksha washte, harmony returns again. Inner light expands with clarity. My energy centers rise in balance. Abundance flows in steady motion. My path opens without strain. Everything aligns in sacred order. We are Kaluta, guiding light within me. This forest holds the rhythm, steady, ancient, precise. I move within its guidance as my inner light stabilizes, and expansion becomes natural, clear and sustained. I activate grounded presence. I activate create expansion. I activate inner authority. I activate open hearted flow. I activate Within this mystical ancestral forest, my awareness rises naturally. Energy aligns from root to crown, opening my inner structure to ancient order and clarity. Nothing resists here, everything responds to the intelligence of this space. Each center activates in sequence, steady, clear, intentional. Grounding settles deep within me. Creation awakens smoothly. Power stabilizes. The heart opens fully. Vision expands forward, and higher guidance arrives intact. Surrender into this alignment. I trust the ancient rhythm guiding me. This forest restores my inner design. Haomi takuyepi. All my connections are present. Natural abundance, restore my essence to its true order. Muvashteyaya, harmony returns within me. Here, alignment becomes effortless. Awareness expands without tension. The forest holds my frequency steady as ancient wisdom reorganizes every layer of my being into coherence and light. My sacred path, I activate authentic expansion. I activate abundance in full flow. I activate clear perception. I activate higher guidance. Takangashio, greater force rising through me. clear path opens within me as energy begins to rise. Each inner center responds calmly, finding balance and direction. This forest presence supports my expansion, allowing clarity to settle without effort or force. Inner space widens naturally when alignment takes form. Stability strengthens my foundation. Flow restores creative movement. Power integrates smoothly, and abundance approaches as a natural response to internal order. I allow energy to guide me. I trust the unfolding path within. Everything opens at the right pace. Hanggang petulu tabuashte, a sacred light shows the way. My inner path opens clearly. Each center aligns with calm strength. Abundance flows without resistance. My life organizes into balance. I move forward in sacred coherence. We at AWAKEN, presence guiding my direction. This opening stabilizes my energy. Nothing is rushed, nothing is withheld. The forest maintains the rhythm as my awareness integrates. Clarity, flow, and expansion into one steady movement. I activate grounded stability. I activate creative expansion. I activate inner authority. I activate open receiving. I activate aligned vision. Sacred ground supporting me. foundation, anchoring my presence with calm strength. From this grounded center, energy begins to rise naturally, organizing my inner space with balance, stability, and trust. This ancestral forest supports my ascent with silent certainty. As the current moves upward, each center opens with clarity. Creation flows without resistance. Power integrates with ease, and the heart expands safely. Abundance responds to this alignment, approaching gently as my inner structure stabilizes. Within me, my energy organizes into coherence. Okay, it is time to move forward. My roots lift into radiant clarity. My centers align with steady flow. Abundance moves freely toward me. Balance strengthens my inner field. I expand with grounded confidence. Sacred honor guiding my path. This light continues its ascent, connecting every layer of my being. Nothing collapses, nothing disperses. Everything integrates within the rhythm of this forest, ancient, stable, and alive. I activate ground stability. I activate creative living flow. I activate inner authority. I activate open receiving. I activate expanding abundance. Nishoshen wahangan, sacred current rising within me. In this sacred formation, my spirit rises, fully awake. Every inner center shines in harmony, aligned through ancient intelligence. The force holds me as awareness expands beyond limitation, lifting my essence into clarity, trust, and fulfillment. Expansion becomes complete, flowing freely through every layer of my being. Grounding and vision unite, creation and wisdom merge, and abundance responds naturally to this state of coherence. I stand fully alive within my rightful inner order. I welcome the fullness of my becoming. I accept the elevation within me. This ascension is clear and true. Tukang kawakang kingi hakta, the greater presence stands with me. My inner spirit ascends in light. All centers radiate sacred clarity. Abundance flows in perfect balance. My life rises into higher order. I walk in harmony with my true design. Wong spe wakang, sacred wisdom awakening within me. There is nothing left to open, nothing left to align. Everything now moves as one, clear, luminous, and complete. This forest seals my expansion with ancient blessing and peace, as my spirit stands elevated in its full expression. I activate my sacred power.